Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then acting fast. First, make sure you are signed into Icloud. With the same Apple ID used on the device. Once signed in, open Notes and check the recently deleted folder because Icloud keeps items there up to 30 days. Also, verify Notes Sync is enabled on your iPhone or iPad under Settings. Your name iCloud Notes. If syncing was off, turn it on and wait a few minutes for iCloud to sync changes back to the device. Once done with the basics, proceed to deeper recovery steps and follow the sequence deliberately. First, look inside every folder in iCloud Notes, including account-specific folders and any notes stored in the mail account. Some notes hide there. If the note is still missing, check for a recent iCloud or device backup via Finder or iTunes and prepare to restore it. Remember, restoring replaces device data, so consider exporting current content first. Also, search iCloud Drive and Mail for exported or server-stored note copies before restoring. You finish by completing the restore carefully and applying one practical troubleshooting tip. If you found a backup, restore it to a spare device or local test environment first so you don't overwrite newer content. Export current notes as text or PDF beforehand. If nothing appears after restore, sign out of iCloud on the device and sign back in, then toggle Notes Sync off and on and wait 10 to 15 minutes for propagation. If issues persist, contact Apple support with your Apple ID and exact timestamps so they can investigate server side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.